Hello, hi, namaskara to all the viewers of this channel. My dear students, we have already completed so many problems in depreciation, right? In this particular session, the speciality of this class is wherein we are having so many trucks, like so many bus vehicles, like that. We are going to solve such kind of problems in this particular session, my dear student. See, it is a problem asked for CA Foundation January 2021 batch. What batch it is? January 2021 batch for 10 marks. See what happened with a lot of interest. See here. Dayal Transport Company purchased 10 trucks. How many trucks? 10 trucks. 50 lakhs each. Bapre. Each truck cost is 50 lakh. So for 10 trucks, 50 lakhs into 10 trucks, it comes to rupees 5 crores. Okay. On July 2017, when it is purchased, on 1st July 2017, it is purchased. On October 19, one of the truck involved in accident. How many truck? One truck involved in accident. Means out of 10 trucks, one truck is accident. Remaining 9 trucks are normal trucks. There is no accident. Okay. And destroyed. 35 lakh received from insurance company. When you received from insurance company, my dear student, we are calling it as claim. Claim is nothing but cash received. Claim is nothing but cash received. It is to be treated like a sales. Claim means cash received, treated like a sales. How much amount is received from insurance company? 35 lakhs. That 35 lakhs is called what? Claim. How much claim is received? The claim is 35 lakhs. See what happened. On the same date means on 1st October 19. This accident happened when? On 1st October 19, accident happened. On the same date means October 19. What you did? On October 19, another truck was purchased by the company for 50 lakh. Another truck purchased means it is a 11th truck. What it is called? 11th truck. Purchased for 50 lakh, spent 10 lakh on its overhauling. Means what? For this 50 lakh, we have to add 10 lakh. Means 50 lakhs plus 10 lakh is 60 lakh. This is the cost of your 11th truck. Company write off depreciation 20% on original cost method. Company observes the calendar year as a financial year. Calendar year as a financial year means accounts are closed on 31st December every year. Show the truck account for 2 years ending on December 2020. December 2020 means we have to prepare the truck account for 2 years, that is 2019 and 2020. Fine. Shall we move on to the solution, my dear student? So now what to do for this particular solution? Okay, fine. See what happened in this particular problem. First, we have to mention depreciation. What is the rate of depreciation? The rate of depreciation is 20% under OCM. Depreciation 20% under OCM. When the accounts are closed, since it is a calendar year, 31st December every year, we have to prepare. What? How many trucks we have? 10 trucks, and 11th truck is purchased. Out of the 10 truck, first truck T1, okay, here 9 trucks, here 11th truck. See what happened. The Dayal Transport Company purchased 10 trucks for 50 lakhs each on July 21. 1st July 17, when they purchased, truck 1 purchased on 1st July 21. For how many lakhs? For 50 lakhs. Here 9 trucks. These trucks are also purchased on July, sorry, it is not July 17, right? Not 21. It is purchased on July 17. It is also purchased on July 17. 9 trucks. 9 trucks means what? 50 lakhs into 9. 50 lakhs into 9 means what? So wait. Where I should mention this amount? I am supposed to mention this amount below here. 50 lakhs. Here 9 trucks purchased. On when? On July 17 only. The amount comes to how much? Amount comes to 4 crores. How many lakhs? 4 crores. 50 lakhs. Four crores, 50 lakhs. Just a minute. It comes what? 4 crores. $50 lakhs. Yes, 4 crores 50 lakhs. 11th truck is purchased on when? 11th truck is purchased on 1st October 19. So here, on October 19, one of the truck involved in accident. Which truck? The first truck. What happened to the first truck? 1st October 19, accident. What is the insurance claim you received? Insurance claim of 35 lakhs is received. Am I right? 35 lakhs is received. On the same date, means October 19, 11th truck is purchased. On what date the 11th truck is purchased? 11th truck is purchased on 1st October 19. For how many lakhs? 50 lakhs plus 10 lakhs for overhauling. It comes to rupees 60 lakhs. Okay. Now shall we start the solution? This is all about the problem, right? Here the first truck is purchased on 1st July 17. We have to mention cost. See, we are in 1st July 17 ending on what? 31st December 17. Depreciation 20%, which method? OCM method. First truck purchased on July, August, September, October, November, December. How many months? On first truck we have to take for 6 months. 9 trucks. That is also purchased on July 17. We have to calculate for 6 months. My dear student, take the calculator. 50 lakhs into what percent? 20% into 6 by 12. It comes to an amount of rupees 5 lakhs. Work out same for 45 lakhs. 45 lakhs into what percent? 20%. For how many months? For 6 months. Let me use a calculator. See what happened. When I use a calculator, it is 45 lakhs, sorry, 4 crore 50 lakhs into what percent? Into 20% into 6 divided by 12. It comes to how much? It comes to 45 lakhs. Right? Dash. Work out a balance. The date is 1st January 18. Balance. It comes to 45 lakhs. Here 4 crores minus 45 lakhs. It comes to 4 crore 5 lakhs. This is about 60 lakhs. Now we are on January 18, right? The accounts closed on what? 31st December 18. What? Depreciation 20% under what method? Under OCM method. Right. Now, truck 1. OCM means we have to take on original cost. 50 lakhs into 20%. Then 9 trucks. What is the original cost? 4 crore 50 lakhs into 20%. It comes to rupees 10 lakhs. This comes to rupees 90 lakhs. No depreciation on this. Now, my dear student, you have to work out a balance on January 19. It is 35 lakhs. This comes how much? 4 crore 5 lakhs, 4 crore 50 lakhs minus 90 lakhs. It comes to 31 lakh 50,000. Sorry, 3 crores 15 lakhs. You take 60 lakh as it is. Now we are January 19, right? When the accident was happened? On October 19. So now, what we have to do? Same procedure, continue. Now, when the accident was happened, my dear students, accident was happened on October 19. What I should write? 1st October 19. Truck 1 accident. Tell me after how many months there is an accident. We are in the previous class. It is on January 19. Accident took place on when? October 19. How many months? January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September. October 1st is not to be considered. So, how many months? 9 months. Depreciation on T1 for 9 months. What is the original cost of T1? 50 lakhs, 20%, 9 by 12. It comes to rupees 7 lakh 50,000. Claim received. It is to be treated like a sold. How much claim is received from insurance company? Insurance company paid a claim of 35 lakhs. So, we have to take 35 lakhs. See what happened. Out of 35 lakh, subtract 7 lakh 50, subtract 35 lakh, we are getting 7 lakh 50,000 as a negative. Since we are getting negative, the answer is what? Profits. This is all about a thing happened in October 19, right? After October 19, we have to move towards 31st December 19. Depreciation 20% OCM. How many trucks we have? We have 9 trucks. Right? For how many months? For 12 months. Because they are of old trucks. You purchased a 11th truck. The 11th truck is purchased on when? On October 19. October, November, December. For how many months? It is for only 3 months. We are under original cost method, right? 4 crores 50 lakhs into 20%. Here the 11th truck is 60 lakhs 20% for only 3 months. Dash for the first truck. It comes to same 90 lakhs. Here it comes how much? 60 lakhs into 20% into 3 by 12. It comes to an amount of rupees 3 lakh. Now you work out a balance. On what date? 1st January 20 dash. See, out of 3 crore 15 lakh, subtract 90 lakhs. It comes to rupees 2 crore 25 lakhs. Last one. Out of 60 lakh, subtract 3 lakh. It comes to rupees 57 lakh. Fine. Now, we are in January 2020 as a balance. Now, 31st December 2020. Depreciation 20% under what method? OCM method. Now for 9 trucks. What is the 9 trucks? Same. 4 crore 50 lakhs into 20%. 11th truck is how much? Original cost. 60 lakhs into 20%. Now it comes how much? Same. 90 lakhs. This comes to 12 lakhs. This is all about depreciation. Now my dear students, you work out a balance. On what date? January 21. Balance. Out of 2 crore 25 lakhs, subtract 90 lakhs. It comes to 1 crore 35 lakhs. A big number, my dear student. It comes to 45 lakhs. So this is all about your working note. Why we have done working note up to 2020 means he is asking us to prepare up to December 2020. Means we have to prepare the ledger for 2019 and 2020. Now let us write what? We have to prepare which ledger? We have to prepare which one it is? Trucks, right? Trucks account for how many years? For 2 years. 2019 and 2020. We have to prepare truck account only for 2 years. For how many years? Try to have a big amount column only for 2 years. Ending on what? It should ending on what, my dear student? It should end on, see, it should end on 31st December 2020. Means start from 19, end on 2020. Fine. It is, we have to start from when? We have to start from when? 1st April 19. See, 1st April 19. Here we have a 1st January 19, not April. It is 1st January 19. Because the problem is not December, April, March. The problem is on January, December. Now, see what happened. The January 2019, right? Balance. Truck 1 is 35 lakh. Truck 9 are 3 crore 15 lakh. In the same year, October 19, 11th truck is purchased. So what to write? 2 balance brought down. Truck 1 is how much? Truck 1 is 35 lakhs. Truck 1 is how much? 35 lakhs. Truck 9, it is not ninth truck, it is 9 trucks. How much 9 trucks value? 9 trucks values are 3 crore 15 lakhs. How much it is? Add both. It comes how much? 3 crore 50 lakhs. I know. On the same year, on what? October 19. 1st October 19. To bank. Which truck is purchased? 11th truck. For how much? Including the overhauling charges, it is an amount of rupees 60 lakhs. Fine. What happened after purchase? See what happened. On October 19, truck was involved in accident. When the truck was involved in accident, on October 19, we have to write by depreciation account, by bank as a claim. There is a profit, right? Profit comes in what side? Debit side, to P&L as a profit. To P&L, please remember there is a profit. Profit comes in the debit side. So I have to mention on debit side. What happened here? 75 lakh, 77 lakh 50,000 is depreciation. Insurance claim is how many lakhs? Insurance claim is 35 lakhs. What is the profit? 7 lakh 50,000. Profit to be written on the debit side. Okay. What happened after this? On December 19, you calculated depreciation 20%. On both the, 9 trucks and 11th truck, it comes to 93 lakhs. On 31st December 19, by depreciation account 93 lakhs. Put the dot for the dates and write by balance carried on. My dear student, work out the total. The total this comes to 4 crores 17 lakh 50,000. Work out the balance 2 crores 82 lakhs. Brought down for next year, that is on January 2020. To balance brought down 2 crores 82 lakhs. Now we are in the last year, right? In the last year, on December 2020, depreciation is what? 90 lakhs on 9 trucks, 12 lakhs on 11th truck. It comes to rupees 1 crore 20 lakh, 1 crore 2 lakhs. Am I right? On what date? 31st December 20. By depreciation account 1 crore 2 lakhs. Dot for the dates. By balance carried on. Subtract it. It comes to 1 crore 80 lakhs. Work out the total, my dear student. The total is 2 crores 82 lakhs. Brought down for the next one, January 21. To balance brought down 1 crore 80 lakhs. Please have a concentration whenever you are doing the problem on depreciation, because depreciation is more of a clerical job. There is no much mind application. It is all about a clerical job which requires lot of usage of calci, lot of your physical concentration. Okay. Thank you, my dear student. Go through it. We will continue for a next problem. Okay, one minute. What happened, you know? I put one more problem for your homework. Similar problem, you take this problem for homework. Same, see here, how many trucks are there? 10 trucks are there, 45 lakhs each. Just a gap of 5 lakh rupees, and 11 truck is purchased. One truck is involved in accident. Same thing concept is covered. You go this, you take this problem for homework. Okay. In the next session, I start with a change in the method of depreciation. Earlier we used to follow original cost method. Later we changed to diminishing method. How to solve such problems, we will discuss in the later stage. Until then, take care. Bye bye. Namaskar. All the best.